Welcome back, gardening enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a fun and easy way to bring some greenery into your home. We'll show you how to transform chia seeds into a lush, indoor garden. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting, this project is perfect for everyone. Let's get started. You might know chia seeds as a superfood for smoothies, but did you know they make great indoor plants too? Chia seeds sprout quickly, they're low maintenance, and they add a beautiful green touch to your living space. Plus, growing chia seeds indoors means you can enjoy their benefits all year round. To get started, you'll need just a few simple materials. Chia seeds, easily available at grocery stores. A shallow container or tray. You can use a recycled plastic tray or a ceramic dish. Potting soil. This will be the base for your chia garden. A spray bottle filled with water. First, fill your shallow container with a layer of potting soil, about an inch deep. Make sure the surface is smooth and even. Next, sprinkle the chia seeds evenly across the soil. A thin layer works best, as these seeds will sprout quickly and don't need to be buried. Part 4. Watering and caring for your seeds. Now it's time to give your seeds some moisture. Using a spray bottle, gently mist the seeds until the soil is thoroughly damp. Chia seeds love moisture, so make sure to mist them daily to keep the soil from drying out. Place your container in a spot with indirect sunlight, like a windowsill or a bright corner in your home. Part 5. Watching the magic happen. After just 2 to 3 days, you'll start to see tiny sprouts emerging from the soil. And within a week, your chia seeds will have grown into beautiful green microgreens. These tiny plants grow quickly, making them a satisfying project for any gardener. Keep misting them daily, and they'll continue to thrive. Part 6. Using and enjoying your chia garden. Not only do chia sprouts look lovely, but they're also edible. You can trim them and use the sprouts to add a nutritious boost to your salads, sandwiches, or smoothies. They have a mild, nutty flavor that complements a variety of dishes. It's a beautiful way to bring fresh, homegrown ingredients into your kitchen. Part 7. Troubleshooting common issues. If your chia seeds aren't sprouting as expected, don't worry. Here are a few tips to keep them on track. Make sure the soil is kept consistently moist. If the soil dries out, the seeds won't sprout. If you notice mold, reduce watering slightly and make sure there's good airflow around your container. If your sprouts are leaning or looking leggy, move them to a spot with more indirect light. And there you have it. A simple, rewarding project that adds a touch of greenery to your home. Turning chia seeds into an indoor garden is a wonderful way to connect with nature, even if you don't have an outdoor space. Give it a try, and let us know in the comments how your chia garden turned out. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more gardening tips, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Happy gardening, and see you in the next video. End screen suggested videos with links to other indoor gardening projects and a subscribe button.